Welcome to the auction of this 1953 Indian Chief Roadmaster. This was the last year Indian would produce bikes, and it was one of the last 600 to roll out of the factory. This is a restored, numbers-matching engine and frame bike. It has that big old 80 cubic inch V-twin engine and that 3-speed side-shifting transmission. We'll tell you all about it after a kickstart and a quick ride. As we mentioned, this bike was built in 1953, the last year Indian was in production. Our client purchased this over 21 years ago. The previous owner had commissioned a restoration and tasked Starklite with the engine rebuild. Our client acquired it with a zeroed out odometer and has put about 3,800 miles on it since. With one mighty kick, this bike barks to life quickly. Our client said it's the most fun experience he's had on a bike. It's available on Bring a Trailer, and for more info, visit us at Genau AutoWerks.com.